Ni sebenarnya first time kita orang buat game tak habis lagi, tapi sebab jadi no point dan JDT pun baru je score gol keempat, so kita buat je terus. Okay Steven, your thoughts first leg Piala Malaysia semi-final, buat masa ni 4-0 lah. Tapi tak tahulah kalau Drive nak check VR, but obviously dah habis lah dah out of our reach lah.
I mean, kind of expected sebab our opponent in the semi-final, it's a tough one to ask lah at the end of the day, knowing the circumstances of our team. And just a few days ago, I baca berita coach kata tak ada padang latihan lah. So the preparation for this kind of game, memang I already anticipated that memang di luar, apa nak kata, out of our reach lah kalau betul-betul nak really memperoleh satu keputusan yang positif lah. So this is the best that we can achieve in the Malaysia Cup. Honestly, I feel disappointed because at the start of the season, I had to predict at least between the Piala FA and Piala Malaysia, at least one kita patutnya masuk final. But looks like it's not meant to be.
But how frustrated are you sebab the reason we are drawn against JDT adalah kerana kita sendiri tak berada di posisi yang baik ketika sebelum undian tu. Kalau posisi tu lebih bagus, 2 atau 3, kita akan main di belah Selangor dan Kota City tu lah. So macam we shot ourselves in the foot lah.
Yeah, it's true because the fault is our own lah. Nak salahkan siapa-siapa pun tak boleh. Ini memang it's our own fault in the making. So that's what it is lah.
No goal. No goal. Oh, rupanya no goal. So masih 3-0. Okay.
Still 3-0.
But still susah lah. Okay. For the second leg, nothing to play lah. 3-0, it's a tough task to come back lah.
Yeah.
Apa yang perlu coach buat untuk second leg? Adakah still turunkan tim terkuat, play for pride, ataupun just prepare team untuk lawan Kelantan next?
If you ask me at this point, there's nothing to play for in this competition. Maybe you want to rest your key players. Finishing second in the league is still possible. Although realistically mungkin a bit susah. Why not we go all out for that? That's my perspective lah. Daripada we trying to achieve something that is not achievable, let's see what is still possible. A second place in the league, I know, of course, we need other teams' result to go in our favour, but at least apa kata kita cuba dalam liga give all out lah.
Okay, rasanya untuk game lawan JDT hari ni punya crowd is around 3,000 something. Rasanya untuk game lawan JDT itu adalah satu figure yang rendah sebenarnya. Is it kerana baru lepas raya ataupun ada fatigue di kalangan penyokong Malaysia, especially dengan what's happening since kita tahulah apa yang berlaku? Is it kerana fatigue penyokong Malaysia ataupun memang sebab raya?
I would say it's a combination lah, sebab mungkin raya also is a factor, and also dengan all the recent development yang kurang positif lah pasal bola sepak Malaysia secara keseluruhan. And you can't blame the fans. Kalau diorang dah rasa macam dah give up dah, tak nak turn up, you can't blame them. I mean, we as fans, we just are being here for our team. That's about it lah. We are not nothing more, nothing less. You're just gonna be for our boys, give our support for them, and hopefully they give their best. Itu saja yang we can do, and that's what we are doing.
Okay, pendapat kau mengenai game malam ni? 3-0 benda ni?
Itulah, game malam ni kita banyak space lah. Kita bagi banyak space dan kita punya player loose lah. Actually kita terikut-ikut gameplay JDT. Once kita main open play like JDT, kita terjebak kita terjebak dengan cara JDT dan akhirnya makan diri lah. So okay lah, for me 3-0 is fair. Kita tahu JDT macam mana, kita tahu kualiti JDT, dan hope second leg good luck to KL. Jangan bolos banyak sangat lah. At least kita melawan lah. Come on.
Real lah tu macam ni kan. Real lah. Okay.
Kita baru tengok tadi, kita baru nampak tadi Pawi one on one dengan Sihan, tapi still mungkin pasal faktor kepenatan.
OG kita borak terus gol keempat.
Itulah. nampak tadi tadi kita dah baru cakap 2 gol JDT daripada set piece dan 2 open play. Tu yang saya cakap macam you know, we terlalu ikutkan tempo JDT open play tu dan akhirnya memakan diri lah.
So kita lupakan second leg dan fokus liga.
Kita fokus liga, kalau boleh kita harap top 3 dan dapat top 4 pun alhamdulillah lah, kira satu kejayaan daripada KL lah.
So itulah dia. Saya tengok sekarang pun dah 4-0. Nothing to play for. Second leg kita tak tahu berapa pula akan kena. Obviously mungkin dah boleh lupakan Piala Malaysia ni dan kita fokus kepada liga lah. Jadi rasa itu sahaja daripada aku, Nizam dan juga Nero dan semua yang kita tanya ni. Teruskan bersama kami di KL City Boys TV.